Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let me take you to the special news. Cocaine, romance and murder. Justin Trudeau and his government targeted by disinformation campaign in wake of India allegation. Members of parliament say online attacks and disinformation aimed at discrediting the Trudeau government risk dividing Indo-Canadians in the wake of Ottawa's declaration that security agencies are probing whether the government of India is linked to the killing of a BC Sikh leader. Harjit Sajjan, the Federal Minister of Emergency Preparedness and an observant Sikh who represents Vancouver South, said in an interview that his constituents want first and foremost to see the perpetrators are caught and brought to justice and that there is no disagreement between that. However, he added, sadly, what I see on social media and even some of the media that's coming out is pitting communities against each other. Donald Trump endorses Jim Jordan to succeed Kevin McCarthy as House Speaker. Former President Donald Trump is officially backing Rep. Jim Jordan of Ohio, the pugnacious House Judiciary Committee chairman and longtime Trump defender, to succeed Kevin McCarthy as House Representative Speaker. Congressman Jim Jordan has been a star long before making his very successful journey to Washington, D.C. Representing Ohio's 4th Congressional District, Trump wrote on his Truth Social site shortly after midnight Friday, he will be a great Speaker of the House and has my complete and total endorsement. Biden administration is resuming deportation flights for Venezuelan migrants as arrivals grow. The Biden administration will resume deporting Venezuelan migrants, the largest single group encountered at the US-Mexico border last month, back to their economically troubled country as their arrivals continue to grow. US Homeland Security Secretary Alejandro, speaking in Mexico City Thursday, cited the new measures as one of the strict consequences the Biden administration is pairing with the expansion of legal pathways for asylum seekers. Turkish warplanes hit Kurdish militia targets in North Syria after US downs Turkish armed drones. Turkish warplanes have carried out airstrikes on sites believed to be used by US-backed Kurdish militant groups in northern Syria after the US military shot down an armed Turkish drone that came within 500 meters of American troops. A Turkish Defense Ministry statement said the Turkish jets targeted some 30 sites in the Tal Rifat, Jazeera and Darik regions, destroying caves, bunkers, shelters and warehouses used by Kurdistan Workers' Party (PKK) are its affiliated Kurdish militia groups in Syria, which is known as People's Defense Units or YPG. That's all for now. Please keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share and comment.